Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to start a group session on Spotify. So first of all you have to start your or pick your favorite song. Then after that you have to go for in this icon. Okay, after that uh, you can see here a group session, but if you can see a page like me, so just because you don't have the premium version of Spotify, this feature is available when you are in this in premium version. Otherwise you can see a page like me. So if you have the premium version of Spotify, then you can see a page like this. After that you can start a group session from here, and you can add friends, then you can start a group session. So this is how you can start a group session on Spotify. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos.
Today's video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.